eMudra Limited, a small cap IT sector company which is licensed by the Ministry of Information Technology. Well, should you invest in this stock? Let's find out in this video, where we'll do the fundamental analysis of this stock, see how strong its fundamentals are, if it is growing or not year on year, and then we'll see the price action and decide if this is an investment or this stock or not, and if now is the right time to invest or not. But please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. Please do the buying and selling of stock based on your own risk appetite. This is just an educational and informational video, right? So with that said, let's get started. Alright, hello everyone and welcome to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is eMudra and this is the screener page. So first of all, I would like to show you this. eMudra is licensed certifying authority involved in issuing digital signature certificates in India under eMudra brand. The company is licensed by the Controller of Certifying Authority CCA, Ministry of Information Technology, and operates under guidelines set by Information Technology Act. Okay, so you definitely must have heard this company's name, okay, or at least the name eMudra. Okay, and this is the official website. I will share this link with you. You can go through it so that you can know more about this company, what all things it has been doing, because even if you have heard the name of this company, does not mean that you are aware of what are the things that it is doing overall. Okay, you might have heard, you might be having partial information about this stock, right? So please get the full information so that you can get the conviction if you want to invest or not. Okay, now let us just move on to some key highlighting points about this company. Okay, so first of all, the geographical split. Okay, international business is giving 61% of the revenue, okay, as of FY 2025. Earlier it was just 19% in 2022. So that shows a huge leap in from the international market, so which is really good. Okay, India is now providing 39% of the revenue from in 2025. Earlier it was giving 81. So we can safely assume that it is slowly becoming an international brand, which is a good thing. Okay, now coming to the new business model. Okay, so it is mentioned that in July 2024, regulatory changes in trust services mandate that certifying authorities bill and a customer directly with transparent pricing. Okay, shifting partners to a referral commission model. Okay, this is the new business model, and you can read all of these things. I will share this link as well. Okay, now coming to some other highlighting points, you can read here, it has partnered with global enterprises like SAP, Microsoft, AWS, TCS, Infosys, and Manai Corporation. Okay, so these are well-known brands and it has made tie-ups with them. So definitely the future is looking promising for eMudra. Okay, now coming to the fundamental numbers of this stock. Okay, let's see how the numbers are looking. Okay, let me just scroll up a little bit here. Okay, so the current price is 803 with a market cap of 6,652 crores. So it's a small cap, it's a mid cap company as of now, because it has crossed 5,000 crore. Okay, 500 to 5,000 is small cap. Now it is 6,600. So it's a mid cap company. Now it has the reserves of almost 650 crore and a debt of 0, which is awesome. Completely debt-free company. That's why the debt-to-equity ratio is 0.00. 3 years average sales growth 41.54, profit growth 62.81, and earning per share growth 54.07. These numbers are looking very strong to me, and I'm really impressed with it. Return on asset almost 16, return on capital employed 23.30, and this is also 3 years average. Okay. Interest coverage ratio at 41.44, very good number. Current ratio 4.25. Operating profit margin 25, which is looking good. Promoter holding more than 50%, good. And Altman Z score is almost 16. This is also good. So overall, the basic numbers are very good for this company. Profit and loss. Let's compare the last 3 years profit and loss. Okay, sales went up from 249 crores to 373 crores, then 472 crores. Operating profit went up from 87 to 110, then 122. Operating profit margin is stable, I can say 35, then 29, then 26. Although it is declining, but still I'm pretty sure it is trying to find the average because it is going international. So obviously these things will vary, but 25% and more is definitely a very good operating profit margin. And we can see that the earning per share number is also increasing, 7.90 to 9.06, then 9.88. Okay, now coming to shareholding pattern. So if we check last 3 quarters data, then we get to see that the promoters have kept their stake stable. They did not make any change, whereas the FIs have actually increased from 4.17 to 4.40, then 5.04. Good increase in number by FI holding. DI 14.36 to 15.03, then slight drop to 14.85. But overall, I would say all the numbers are looking good. Profit and loss statement is also looking good. Shareholding pattern is also looking very good. So definitely the stock is strong. So now the question is, despite having all these good factors, should you now directly jump in and invest in this stock because the future is looking strong, the international presence is expanding, it is looking very good. So should you invest? Well, no, not right now. Why is that? You will find the answer when we go to the price action. So let's go to the price action and see why I don't think you should consider investing in eMudra right now. Okay, this is the weekly chart of eMudra, and you can see that the stock has been consistently facing weakness around this level. Okay, although it is going up, but you will find that the momentum is slowly going down. How is that? You can see it here. This is the RSI, and if I turn it into line chart, you will be very clear about it. You can see the higher highs forming, but what is forming here? Lower highs. So definitely it had to break this trend line at any time soon, and it did happen. You can see it went down, and it went down very sharply. Let me show you by going back again to the candlestick chart. You can see this big red weekly candle of minus 25.52%. So very big fall. And now this week also it is facing resistance here. Today is Friday, it is facing resistance here, and I'm pretty sure that in RSI it will look something like this in coming weeks. It will go down even further, and here also it will come down even further, maybe to this 500 level. Okay, it can definitely drop. So currently definitely it's not a good time to invest in the stock. Okay, and remember that a good company purchased at the wrong price becomes a bad investment. Remember this statement. So accordingly plan your investment, accordingly make the approach. Okay, so when is the good time, or when could be the good time? See, let me make it simple for you. So what we are seeing here is that the stock is facing resistance near this level, and what is this level? Almost 1000. Okay, I'm rounding up to a round number of 1000 so that it remains simple. Okay, so I will draw one trend line here. Okay, so we can see that it is facing a resistance at this level, 1000 level. And now what we have to do, we will have to patiently wait for the stock to break above this level in weekly chart so that we can consider investing in this stock, because the price action is showing that it has fallen, but the fundamentals are looking good. You will see the change in fundamentals maybe in the next few quarters or next few years. So that is a high probability that could happen. Things could go bad from here because price action shows the first picture, then it is reflected in the fundamentals. Always remember that, and that could be happening here. Okay, and not only this stock, I am not saying about this stock only. Majority of IT stocks have taken a hit, and slowly the IT sector could be going down, at least temporarily. So during that time, do not put your money in this and get it blocked. Okay, rather put it in liquid fund, at least you will get positive returns, right? Or keep it in savings account, it's up to you. Do not make investment in such conditions. Okay, so in simple words, you will have to wait for the stock to create a sideways pattern and then break above the 1000 level. Okay, once it breaks above the 1000 level, then you can see how strong the price action is, how strong the volume is, and consider investing. And don't worry, obviously I'll make an update video when it is looking strong, but as of now just avoid it. Keep it in your watch list. This is one of the good companies you can find in the IT sector. Okay, so that is all about eMudra, and I hope this video was informative and useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with you one-to-one on Discord. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.